Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we will discuss from chapter number 21 cell cycle. So the first of all we will start from question number 1. The centromere is a region in which option A chromatids remain attached to one another until anaphase, option B metaphase chromosomes become aligned at the metaphase plate, option C chromosomes are grouped during telophase, option D the nucleus is located prior to the mitosis. So the correct option is option A, chromatids remain attached to one another until anaphase. Question number 2. What is a chromatid? Option A, a chromosome in G1 of the cell cycle. Option B, a replicate chromosome. Option C, a chromosome found outside the nucleus. Option D, a special region that holds two centromeres together. So the correct option is option A, a chromosome in G1 of the cell cycle. Question number 3. Starting with a fertilized egg zygote, a series of 5 divisions would produce an early embryo with how many cells? Option A 4, option B 8, option C 16, option D 32. So the correct option is option D 32 cells. Question number 4. If there are 20 chromatids in cell, how many centromeres are there? Option A 10, option B 20, option C 30, option D 40. So the correct option is option A 10. Question number 5. For a newly evolving protist, what would be the advantage of using eukaryotic-like cell division rather than the binary fission? Option A, binary fission would not allow for the formation of new generation. Option B, cell division would allow for the orderly and efficient segregation of multiple linear chromosomes. Option C, cell division would be faster than binary fission. Option D, binary fission would not allow the organisms to have complex cells. So the correct option is option B, cell division would allow for the orderly and efficient segregation of multiple linear chromosomes. Question number 6. How do the daughter cells at the end of mitosis and cytokinesis compare with their parent cell when it was in G1 of the cell cycle? Option A, the daughter cells have half the amount of cytoplasm and half the amount of DNA. Option B, the daughter cells have half the number of chromosomes and half the amount of DNA. Option C, the daughter cells have the same number of chromosomes and half amount of DNA. Option D, the daughter cells have the same number of chromosomes and the same amount of DNA. So the correct option is option C, the daughter cells have the same number of chromosomes and half amount of DNA. Question number 8. Which term describes centrioles beginning to move apart in animal cells? Option A telophase, option B anaphase, option C metaphase, option D interphase. So the correct option is option D interphase. Question number 9. Which is the longest of the mitotic stages? Option A telophase, option B anaphase, option C metaphase, option D interphase. So the correct option is option D interphase. Question number 10. Which term describes centromeres uncoupling sister chromatids separating and two new chromosomes moving to opposite poles of the cell? Option A telophase, option B anaphase, option C prometaphase, option D metaphase. So the correct option is option B anaphase. Question number 11. In cells in the process of dividing are subjected to drug colchicine, at which stage will mitosis be arrested? Option A anaphase, option B prophase, option C telophase, option D metaphase. So the correct option is option B prophase. Question number 12. A cell containing 92 chromatids at metaphase of mitosis would at the completion produce two nuclei each containing how many chromosomes? Option A 16, option B 23, option C 46, option D 92. So the correct option is option C 46 chromosomes. Question number 14. If there are 20 centromeres in a cell at anaphase, how many chromosomes are there in each daughter cell following cytokinesis? Option A 10, option B 20, option C 30, option D 40. So the correct option is option A 10. Question number डियर स्टूडेंट्स, ये था हमारा आज का लेक्चर। कल एक न्यू वीडियो के साथ मिलते हैं। स्टे कनेक्टेड। अल्लाह।